Hello, welcome to the tutorial on pre-delivery use case. Documenting our architecture intent in pre-delivery requires three main steps. To capture the project scope in an asset called initiative, capture the requirements in pre-delivery requirements asset, search for and find the capabilities that will fulfill these requirements, and disposition the capabilities. In the process, if we need to create new business capabilities and link them to the requirements, and these business capabilities are linked to the solution targets. If the solution target fulfills our complete needs, no modifications are required, but in the process we may end up creating new solution targets as well. Once we do that, we can link the solution targets to the business capabilities as well. By doing so, you will have the requirements based on the capabilities. You will have the high-level design based on the solution target view and estimations based on the solution targets. So to get the overall picture, you can assess the complexity of the solution that we are proposing, which will help the project teams to better assess their platform impacts. With that, we will switch to the demo. And in this demo, we basically show how to create a new initiative, create the pre-delivery requirements, link the initiatives to all the pre-delivery requirements, and show a visual of all the linking that we have done. For this demo, we will use a scope document which was used for the initiative called customer level dialer intensity reduction. As always, first we will search for the initiative if it is already there. And as you can see, there is a solution target but no initiative. Hence, we click the submit button. Enter all the relevant data and select the type as initiative and add the description from the scope document, and we save it. And you can see the initiative has been created with all the problem statement that we said. Now we take the scope statements which would resolve into a set of pre-delivery requirements, and we will create those requirements. For the demo purpose, I already created a set of requirements, and I will show you quickly how we can replicate and create a new requirements using a template. And we can use the clone button here, which will bring up asset submission page. And all I'm going to do is this I created already, so I just rename and save it. Using the clone is a great way to create a whole bunch of requirements or any other asset types when the types are similar and most of the characteristics are same. So I have very quickly created all these requirements. And as you can see, for this initiative I have created 7 requirements, which we will now link to the initiative we just created. Let's go use the search facility to find our initiative, and I'm using the asset types search facility, and go to the initiative. We have just created an initiative called the customer level intensity reduction. We open that asset, edit the asset, go to the related assets, and there you can go and add the requirements that are related to this particular asset. Since I use the string search to find all the requirements, and we can select all bunch in one shot and link it to the initiative we just created and say update, and we can see that the initiative is updated with all the requirements that are linked to it. A good way to visualize the work that we have just done, use the visualize, which will quickly show us a picture of how these initiative and the requirements are connected. We can expand this further and see all the related assets. which basically shows all the required business capabilities that are linked to this requirement. Exploring further, I could actually see that a solution target is connected to this. We can see the asset details. Which will bring up the solution target. And again we can quickly see the solution target that is now connected.